This is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Ram 1500 Express. Stock number is 28235T. It's a silver in color. Fog lights here. Here's your grill for you. Nice big old headlights. You're going to have your power windows and doors. It's a cloth. 3 cup holders. Okay, for your change. Got your USB, your auxiliary. There's your radio. This is a 4-wheel drive. Everything's going to be hands-free on the steering wheel. Big spacious back seats. This is 4x4. It's all around. It's a really good looking truck. Again, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Ram 1500 Express. Stock number is 28235T. You can reach us online at www.sherrychrysler.com. Give us a call at 937-778-0830.